Nerdam has a little attempt to reconstruct how dinosaurs reconstructed sounds of dinosaurs. And this is how they say that the dinosaurs looked like really. So I'm guessing these sounds will be fairly close. I'm not even hearing anything. This is how the Velociraptor looked like. The fuck? Ruined. It's a guess. Sounds like your mother. Once I'm done with her. That's how the pterodactyl sounds like, or looks like. Guess, I guess. That if that fucking dinosaur was in a little game and with that sound, I would say fucking scuffed sound in this shit game. Oh, already done. Guys, I do think for 5 years feels dank man at Dankers.